How is this workshop different from other I.D.E.A workshops? You might be asking yourself. Well, it's simple. We use a two-eyed seeing lens, or edu-optimok. It's a term coined by Mi'kmaq elder Albert Marshall to describe the ability to see the world through one eye with the strengths of Indigenous knowledge and the other eye with the strengths of Western knowledge. So in this workshop, we balance traditional Mi'kmaq teachings with Western business practices to figure out how to implement I.D.E.A within our workplaces. So at the beginning, we start with the self, and we do a lot of self-reflection, and we figure out our positions as individuals in this I.D.E.A space. And then we really try and dig deeper and go beyond introductory DEI and unconscious bias training. We try and really understand our history and how to decolonize our worldview. And then we figure out how we take all of those learnings and implement them so that we actually facilitate real change within our organizations. And of course, at the end, you're not left high and dry. You're given an online toolkit with resources that are constantly updated so that you can continue on this lifelong journey of learning and improving and making things better. So if you are a leader, if you want to improve your leadership skills and you want to facilitate actual real change within your organization, then this course is for you. Be sure to sign up using the link in the description above. And Wolaliach, thank you, and in Multis. I look forward to seeing you soon.